Hello and welcome to day number 70 of our Travel Trader series. Now I want to give you just a quick update on what we were doing today. So today was another day on the road. I'm in Mannheim in Germany having my speaking tour together with my trainers. We met today already to cut one of the lovely cakes that one of my students gave me, like a Sacher cake with Travel Trader plain on it and little candles. So absolutely phenomenal and amazing. So thank you very much, Claudia. And today we were holding here in the Maritime Hotel in in Mannheim. Already get confused about what city I am. We held our speech and we met some more amazing people. So a very great day. And as I was traveling and doing so much and meeting people, I didn't really trade too much. Like right now we have a very high volatility. So I skipped the index trading just to make sure that I wouldn't run into something that we had the other day where I had to guess the volatility. So I would like to sit in front of it. So that's why I didn't trade it today. And what I did do is that we had a new trade in US dollar, Singapore dollar. So we think that the US dollar now, after it got beaten down for quite a while, will go up. And so far it worked out quite nicely. We are up 450 Singapore dollars, which is around, roughly 300 euro. So that's pretty good. And if you see a continuation of the former run, so we went up, we came down, now we want to go up again, that would be very, very phenomenal. So we just have one new trade at the moment, and I'm looking forward to have some more trading opportunities and tell you about it in the coming days. So today, just a very quick update. One single trade, that's it. But sometimes if you have one great trade, that can be more than enough. For example, Dani, one of my trainers, told me today that she went short on Daimler in the last week, and she tripled her money in that single trade. So if you read the signals and do the right thing, that can go very, very fast. So US dollar, Singapore dollar, we expect it to go up. So that's what we'll be looking forward. And tomorrow I will have a look and see if I can find some more nice trades, and I will keep you updated here. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you and goodbye.